Now this is the farmstead. These are two horses my parents are keeping for a friend of mine, or not a friend of mine, but a horse lady. She keeps her horses here at my parents' farm when over the summer and whatnot. We used to have cattle back when I was growing up, but the dad is retired. There's the shed, there's the barn. This is the yard site of my parents and where I grew up. Their field is in the back there, if you can see it. A couple of, I don't know how many acres, but this is the farm backyard, machine shed, tractor. Yeah, so this is where I grew up. There's a trail back leading through the bush there that goes all the way through. This is my parents' gate out there with my mom's bus that she drives. And we're walking through to the back of the house. Beautiful spring day. It's about 20, I think it's 20 some Celsius, so it's very warm. There's the park background. That is my parents' backyard. And there's the old rope that I could never climb as a kid. Still there. But garden, back of the house. There's the pond my parents put in last spring. I'm walking on the grass I'm not supposed to be walking on, but garden, yard path coming in, and the back of the house. And this is a beautiful little pond. I hope to get fish in here at one point. Very relaxing.